Ravi, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then fine, thank you. Yep, I'm sharing my screen. Yes, previous class we started arrays concepts, right? So where we are? So array length is completed. Then array is a type of array we completed, right? So the next one is the popping arrow pop. How to insert an element, how to delete an element from array. So we can see now. Okay, changing array, then array object. Yes, array delete. Space y just give me a second. Type of variable associated array. Yes, pop element. Okay, so the pop method or removes the last element from an array. The next one push. So the array push method adds a new element an array at the end. Okay, so these two, pop and push. So pop method is deleting an element from array. So where it delays, so last element, whatever the last element is having, that element it can delete when we use the pop method. Okay, next one is the push method. Push method insert an element at the end of an array. Okay, so we can see these two arrays. New one, 39.html, doc type, then html, head, then title, array, push and pop methods. So the next body and close body inside script. So we have an array. So let my arr equal to my underscore arr equal to, so I have an array called, so 2 comma 10 comma 20 comma, so then we are having a welcome, then 100. Okay, so this is my array. Okay, so now first we can find the what is array length. Okay, so then console.log console.log array length equal to, array length equal to, so then plus my underscore array dot length. So this is the length method, right? So the next one, so we have to, first we have to remove the an element from array, right? So then, so let res pop equal to, okay, my array dot pop. Okay, so then we will see the console.log console.log after after popping the element from array, result is so then colon, so plus, so res dot pop. We will see. So JS 39.html console.log. So inspect. So first one is the array length equal to 5. Okay, after popping the element from array, result is, so what it is returning, so pop method, what it is returning, it is returning what element it is deleted. 100 is there, though that 100 is deleted. So then after that console.log or result after pop method colon, so then plus, so my underscore array. Okay, so we will see. So this one we can change. Pop method returns the popping element. See, so pop method returns the whatever element it is deleted. So then after popping, so this is the array. 1, 10, 20, welcome. So but 100 is there, so 100 is deleted. Okay. So the next one, push method. All right. So push method. Console.log, sorry, let res push equal to my array dot push, my array dot push. So then, so if you want to insert an element, Teja live tracks. Okay. So then now we can see both the things. So console.log push method returns return value. Okay. So then plus res push. Right. So the next one is console.log after pushing an element. So the original array, how it looks. How it looks. Result after push method. So then my underscore array. Okay. Now you can see. See. So push method returns the position. Then after result, so the original array becomes like this. So 10, 1, 10, 20, welcome and Teja live tracks. Okay. So then, so push method returns the position of the so new value. So where we are inserted. So this is the 0th position, first, second, third, and fourth. So that is the length it is returning. I think length is returning push method. Okay. So length is returning the push method. It is yes. Here it is. The pop method removes the last element from an array and the pop method returns the value that was popped out. Whatever value we remove, so that is returned. And then push method adds a new element an array at the end and push method returns the new array length. Push method returns the new array length. Pop method returns whatever element removes that element it returns. Okay, so that is the difference. And so that is the if you want to insert we have to use the push method, if you want to delete we have to use the pop method. Okay, the next one, shifting an array. Shifting array elements one place to another place. Shifting is equivalent to popping but working on the first element instead of the last. So pop method and push method, those both are working for last element. It is if you want to insert, so then push method insert at the end of. So then pop method it returns pop method it pop method removes the last element and returns the removed element. Okay, but shift method removes the first array element and shift all other elements to the lower index. So if they can remove the first element, so then first position is removed, 0th position is removed, and whatever first position is there, so that one shift to the 0th position. Okay, So both are equal, but pop method removes the last element, shift method removes the first element. Okay, then unshift method adds a new element to to an array to an array and unshifts unshift order of the elements. Again, it changing the order. Okay, now we can see both the things, shift and unshift. Same thing copying. So 40.html. Okay, array, shift and unshift. Unshift. So first shift method, it removes the n element from array and it removes the first element. Okay, so here it is, shift method. Okay, so then shift method returns the removes an element, returns the removed element, and console.log result after shift method. So the next one is unshift unshift method. So then it insert an element at the first position, then again it changes the array order. So then shift method returns a value, then shift method. Then now we can say 40.html. Okay, so then so after removing first our array length is 5. So then shift method returns the removed element. So first we are having the 1, so that is removed. Okay, so then again, so result after the shift method 10, 20, welcome 100. Okay, so then shift method returns the value and shift method, right? Where is unshift method? Unshift method returns the array length. Okay, returns the array length. So then again, so previous we are having only 4 elements before unshift. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are having 5 because of we are inserted the Teja live tracks at the beginning of an array. Okay, so this is the shift and unshift. So pop and push and shift and unshift. Pop and push methods removes and add elements at the end of the array. Shift and unshift methods removes and adds the element at the beginning of an array. At the beginning of an array. Okay. Next one. Next one. JavaScript array length. So how we can change the length? The length property provides an easy way to append a new element to an array. New element to an array. Okay. So JavaScript array element can be deleted using the JavaScript operator delete. So using delete leaves the undefined hole in an array. Okay, it is deleting an element but it is not deleting the array position. Okay, so if you want to insert an array element, so another way of adding an element at the end of an array, so using length method, so we can insert an array, we can insert an array. Okay, now we can see, so 41.html array change methods, change change method. So first one we are having this one. So if you want to insert an array element, any array element, so let, so my underscore array. So for suppose I am inserting the first position or zeroth position equal to 200 I am inserting. So then after that console.logs. So then array elements colon. Then now we can see my underscore error. Okay. Now we can see 41.html. Now see 210, 20, welcome and 100. So what it is happening? So one is removed instead of one place. So we are inserting the 200. So that means so we are changing an array, right? So if you want to if you want to replace the value in array, so using the position. So for suppose if you want to insert the third position, then you can see third position. So 0, 1, 2, 3, welcome is there. Now it is changed. So to change an array element using the position, so we can change this way. So then after that, if you want to insert an array element using length, so then mm, console.log, console.log. So then, so my underscore array. So then we are using the length here. So my underscore array dot length. Okay. Yes. Okay. Equal to equal to. So then Teja live tracks. Okay. So then now you can see. So if you can find out the original array, so that you can see now. So my array where. Okay, now you can see 110, 20, 200, 100 and Teja live track. It is inserted. So using length method, so we are inserted a new array element at the end of array. Same like push. Okay, clear. So this is the another way of inserting an array element. Okay. So the next method is array delete. Array delete. My underscore array dot delete 20. So what we have to provide here for delete, we have to provide the delete my underscore array. So for suppose based on position, so then one if you want to delete, so then see console.log array elements after using delete method. Okay, now you can see so one and empty space is there. Okay, so one, so then 10 is removed, so but it is index is there, index is having 20, 200, 100 and page alive tracks. Okay, so then so we cannot use the delete method because of it cannot remove the index of an array. It only removes the value of an array, but it cannot removes and it cannot removes the index of array. Clear? Okay, so don't use the delete method. So if you want to delete method, so you can use the shift method or pop method. Okay, clear. So then insert an array, so you can use anything. So if you want to insert a element at the end of array, so you can use the either push method or unshift method or myArray.length method. These three methods, using these three methods, we can insert an array element and array. Okay. So then if you want to delete, you can use the shift method and pop method. These two elements, these two methods you can use it. Okay. So the next one is the concatenating an array. Concatenating an array. So if you want to concatenate two arrays, so you can use the concat method. Sorry. So you can use the concat method. So then Apache2.html array concat method. Okay. So I'm having the my array and let's my underscore new array. New array equal to, so then Teja live tracks and comma UI development. Okay. So this is my two arrays. So if you want to concatenate, so then you can use the let res equal to concat, sorry, my underscore array dot array dot concat. Then so whatever array you want to merge it, so you can add in the argument. Okay. So then after that, console.log array elements after concat method. So then we can see the Apache2.html. Okay. See this one. So 1, 10, 20 welcome and Teja. For suppose if you want to add the element to UI and your Teja live tracks and development, UI development, so then you can change like this. So my new array, so you are inserting the array elements, new array elements to this array. Okay. So then you can use this one as a argument. Now you can see. First it is coming Teja live tracks, UI development, then after that 1, 10, 20 welcome and 100. Okay. So this is the concat. For suppose if you are having another element, let my another equal to so then HTML then comma CSS then comma JavaScript.
Sorry, another array.
Sorry.
My another array. Yes, sir.
So we can give it no problem. So that is our name only, right? My another. It's a variable name. Okay. So then now you can see it. HTML, CSS, JavaScript are inserted. Okay. Clear? So this way we can insert, we can concatenating, we can merge the arrays, we can merge the arrays. Clear? So the next one is concatenating is fine. So both are same. So then another way of method concatenating or deleting, another way of method splice. Okay. Splice method. The splice method can be used to add a new item to an array. New item to an array. Okay. So then here you can see it. This is my array. So this is my array. So this is the position. The first parameter defines the position where the new element should be added. Where the new element should be added. Second parameter, how many elements should be removed? How many elements should be removed? and third parameter rest of the parameters. So what elements you are going to insert into an array, what element, so you are going to insert an array. So this is a splice method. So in that splice method we have to use two arguments, three arguments, totally basically three arguments we have to use. So first parameter, so from where, from which position, so we want to insert new element. Second parameter, how many elements you want to remove from specified position. Okay, so then, so bit confusion, so then clearly observe this one. So 43.html. Okay, array splice method. Okay, so this is my array method, this is my array. Okay, so then let res equal to res equal to, so my underscore array dot splice. Okay, splice. So what is the first position, so what is the first argument, so from where, so previously we are inserted an array element, so at the end or at the first position, so we are not inserted in the middle, so where we want to insert. So for suppose if we want to insert in the second position or first position, so we don't have any methods previous, now the splice method we are having. So for suppose after first first element, so you want to insert, then first we have to define the first position. So then after that, so after first position, how many elements you want to remove, so I don't want to remove any elements. Okay, so then after that I want to insert after first position. Okay, first, then another element is second, I am inserting two elements, I am inserting two elements. Okay, so then console dot log, so then res, we will see the res result 43.html. So it returns the empty array. So then we can see the my array. Now you can see, now you can see, so in the first position we are having the, what is our original array, and so console dot log original array elements colon, so then plus my underscore array, it is came same thing, so we have to print before using this method. Okay, now you can see this is 110, 20, welcome and 100. Okay, so what we are saying, so from first elements onwards, so we are inserting two elements, so we are inserting two elements after so one, after completion of one, so we are inserted first and second strings. Okay, so then remaining elements 10, 20, welcome and 100. Okay, so this is the splice method if you want to insert new elements at the specified position, at this specified position. Okay, so here we are saying one. Okay, for suppose if you want to insert from second position onwards. Okay, so then now the next result is 110 first, second, then 20, welcome, 100 we are getting. Now you can see 110 first, second, 20, welcome and 100. For suppose you want to delete few elements from an array, for suppose if you want to delete few elements an array, so after second, so I want to remove one element, I want to remove one element. So then you can see, so what element it removes, so after after specified position, it removes the 20th. Okay, so then if you can mention two elements, so it removes the 20 and welcome also, it removes the 20 and welcome also. Now you can see it removes the, this is the result array. So 110, so we specified the second element. From second element it removes the two element, it removes the two element. So what we are having, 20 welcome is there, 20 welcome removes. So then after that, after removing it, inserted two new array elements, first and second. So then remaining element is 100. Okay, so this is the splice method. Splice method is a combination of inserting and deleting the array elements at the specified position, at the specified position. Okay, so first parameter, so for which position we are changing an array element. So then second parameter, so how many elements we have to remove from the specified position. So then third argument, so is the remaining arguments is the new array elements. Okay, so this is the splice method. So the next one is the, we are having another one, 16. See, this is the splice method. So then after that, splice is different, slice is different. The slice method slice out a piece of an array into a new array. Okay, so if you want to take it out array elements, and then you can convert a new array element. Okay, so then see, slice method we can use it. Same thing, 44.html slice method. Okay, slice. So then first, okay, 44.html see this one. So 1, 10, 20 and welcome and 100, what it is happening. Same thing only, right? 1 comma 20. Hard one. Three comma 5 we can place here. Okay, sorry, so I'm printing the original array, so that's why. So after returning, after using the slice method, so okay, so you want to take it out, so 3 comma 5, 3 comma, so we are having only 4, so that's why we are getting the two elements, welcome and 100 we are getting, welcome and 100 we are getting. So this is the, so 0th position, first position, second position, third position. From third to 5 elements, fifth position up to fifth position. For suppose we are having, so 400. So now you can see we are getting the welcome 100, 200 we are getting. Welcome and 100. If you can use the 6. Okay, clear. So this is the slice method. Slice method, what it is saying, slice method slice out a piece of an array and it converts into a new array. Slice method removes, not permanently removed, so copying the elements from that specified position, from that specified positions, then and it converts into a new array, and it converts into a new array. Okay, clear. So these are the array array inserting and removing an element. Okay, clear? So how many methods are having? So now we can see. Till now we are seeing these methods. So first method is length. Okay, so then deleting an array. So then all these methods. So whatever we are using the above method. So these are the methods we are using till now. Okay, right? So the next one, sorting. Next one, array sorting. Till now we are used. Till now we are used. So these are the method. First one is the array dot length we used. So the next one, array dot pop removes array element last position, right? So the next one, same thing. So array dot push. So this method, inserting an array, insert array elements, insert array elements at the end. So the next one, so array dot shift. Okay, so this one also removes at first position, right? So then array dot unshift. So it removes it adds the add at first position. Okay, so the next one what we are having, so using array dot not array, so using array dot position. So we can change array elements. So then array using length, so we can insert at the end, insert element at the end. Okay, so this is another method. So the next one, so splice method, array dot splice method. Okay, it inserts and removes array elements from specified position. Okay, so the next one is the splice. Okay, next one is array dot slice.